Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable WooCommerce affiliate plugin tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable WooCommerce affiliate plugin tracking, begin by logging in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. In the Plugins area, locate the WooCommerce affiliate plugin you have installed. Click on the Settings link beneath the plugin name. This will open the configuration options for the plugin. Look for the tracking options in the Settings menu. You may find a tab specifically for tracking or affiliate settings. Once in the tracking section, find the toggle or checkbox for enabling or disabling tracking. Uncheck or toggle this setting to the off position. After making this adjustment, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Save Changes button to apply your new settings. To verify that tracking has been disabled, you may want to test your site. Perform a test purchase through your affiliate links. Check your affiliate dashboard to ensure no tracking data is being recorded. If tracking data is still appearing, consider clearing your site's cache. You can do this via a caching plugin or through your hosting provider's settings. Once your cache is cleared, repeat the test purchase. Confirm that no tracking information is captured this time. If issues persist, consult the plugin's documentation for advanced settings. You may also reach out to the plugin's support team for further assistance. This step-by-step guide will help you successfully disable WooCommerce affiliate plugin tracking. Always remember to back up your site before making significant changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.